Presenting Noise Shots Rush True Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds that are designed for sports and active lifestyles. These true wireless earbuds allows you to take calls directly for an uninterrupted workout session. It delivers up to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, another 3 full recharges from the included charging case, giving a total playback time of up to 24 hours. Noise Shots Rush are truly wireless and comes with soft silicone ear hooks that keep your earbuds comfortable and super secure even during the toughest workouts. It is IPX5 water resistant and sweat proof. These noise earbuds are equipped with 12mm speaker drivers that deliver powerful sound with a punchy bass. It comes with 3 preset equalizer modes. It also comes with a low latency gaming mode to enhance your gaming experience. The earbuds come with Bluetooth connectivity. Noise Shots Rush come with full touch controls with voice assistant integration. The earbuds are available in 3 color variants: charcoal grey, quicksilver and wine red. Inside the box you will find Noise Shots Rush earbuds, charging case, charging cable, 2 extra ear tips, user manual, thank you card and pairing card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.